to space today at an event in North County. This weekend marked the second Lehigh Valley Space Fest. 69 News reporter Jack Reinhardt takes us inside.
From telescopes to space rocks, the Lehigh Valley Space Fest returned for the second year, this time at Lafayette College.
The solar telescope viewing, kids' activities.
And Space Fest co-founder Marty McGuire says that's just part of the fun at an event a county grant helped with.
Industry experts and some from NASA themselves have attended and been presenters.
Among what's on display at Space Fest are these rockets, including this gray one, which goes up more than 6,000 feet.
And these are three of my biggest rockets that I have built from scratch.
Joe Polita is the mastermind behind the rockets and says each one takes 4 to 8 months to build.
And some of these kids come up with the best questions. It really is great to be here and help them get started.
And rockets aren't the only things people are checking out.
So this is a rover we've been building over 4 years.
Lehigh University Space Initiative President Michael Barron and the rest of his team are showing off this rover they created, which comes well equipped.
It has a science module to dig into the soil, detect signs of life.
An event Chelsea Maurice helped bring to Lafayette.
You can see the true benefits to both the community there and our community here.
In Easton, Jack Reinhardt, 69 News.
I designed it to go straight up here. Mostly a hobby. Our grandson Miles is going to draw the winning ticket for someone who's going to win the rocket. All right? Now what I want you to do is reach in and grab one ticket. Hold on. All right, we have a winner. Let's see who we got here. We got Gage De Palma. So Gage, I will be calling you shortly and letting you know that you won our rocket kit, and I will get it to you by the end of the week. Congratulations.